Everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. This first one is absolutely crazy. I mean, she goes from having this long salt and pepper hair to this super cute silver pixie style. This pixie has a nice amount of texture to it, and she can play around with the styling options, wearing it spiked up or wearing it down with the bangs. A lot of versatility in this short little cut. So for our next transformation, she starts off with mid-length dark hair. She switches it up with this chocolate hue. Chocolate colored hair is actually a huge trend for 2025, believe it or not. And then here we have someone with mid-length hair. Once again, the stylist colors the hair and does a bob here. Very cute, chic, French girl style bob. I absolutely love the way that this came out. So moving on to the next transformation, looks like she's also going to get a bob. She does keep her blonde hair color. So for the next one, she ended up getting a red burgundy colored bob. Oh, that was gorgeous. And then we have another haircut transformation. Oh, I love these bangs. So beautiful. Here we have another blonde bob transformation. Now, next up, one of the hottest hair color trends that we are also seeing is the look of blue hair. Now, this isn't a transformation, but I just thought that this was such a beautiful hairstyle. I love the color combination. She has different ranges of blue going within the strands, and I just think it's so pretty. I think the color is also really enhanced by the fact that she has these gorgeous layers in here. Very fun hairstyle idea. Next up, we have another cool one. I feel like this is definitely cool girl style hair. Rainbow. Wow. So unique. She does have bangs for this style as well. And I'm sure that this color took a while to achieve. So then we move into our next transformation. So she has this big, thick, beautiful curly hair. Look at all of that hair. Alice does some cutting here. Looks to me like he's shaping the hair. Whoa. Okay, so she went darker and she got this gorgeous shaggy cuts. Wow, look at all that. I am just so impressed. Her hair is so beautiful. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these hair transformations that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.